Hey Muses, welcome to Beyond the Beauty, celebrating Black joy presented by Ulta Beauty. I'm Monica Stalmuse. In honor of Black History Month, we are celebrating women in the Black community as we discuss all things beauty and joy. In each episode, we'll spotlight their stories and celebrate their beauty with the help of Black-owned beauty brands from Ulta Beauty. We will deep dive into joy, empowerment, and embracing our true selves, so get ready for an episode filled with both beauty inside and out. Nominated by her mom, Joy, today's spotlight is on Naima J. Keith, an incredible art historian and a leader redefining what it means to be a woman of color in the art world. She's a walking, talking masterpiece, and we are so excited to have her. Thank you both for being here today.
Oh, thank you for having us.
Ooh, I love that. Walking, talking masterpiece.
I was gonna say, I was like, who, me? No, I'm just kidding.
Listen, that is you. I cannot wait for us to dive in. And Joy, I honestly just want to know, what made you nominate your daughter?
I decided to nominate Naima not only because of her physical beauty, but that whole aspect of her being this force in the art world that we just are starting to get to understand that we can have a voice in that space, as well as educating Black people, encouraging Black people to be artists, to be seen, to tell our stories. And for her to be able to tell those stories as a curator, she's just so energetic, and seeing her grow and blossom as a woman, as a mother, as an executive, it's just been a thrill.
Wow. The twinkle in your eye. Oh, I just see how proud she is of you. I'm so glad to be able to witness here today.
Aww.
With Black History Month in full swing, Naima, can you share your thoughts on its significance to beauty as a Black woman?
I love the fact that we're in Black History Month, right? It's a moment where we're celebrating Blackness, we're celebrating our historical significance, the contributions we've made. But to be honest, I believe in celebrating Black history all year round.
Yes.
In my work as an art historian and a curator and as someone who works in education, I believe in infusing Black history and Black joy and Black beauty into my everyday.
I love that. Naima, you radiate such confidence and beauty. I would love to know, what are some of your go-to hair care rituals? Because your hair, I already told you, I love it. It's on my mood board. If you see it being done, you were the inspiration, okay?
Thank you, girl. I definitely like to get my hair cut often. I'm definitely, a Black woman that is not afraid to cut her hair.
Okay.
I have always been fearless when it comes to my hair. I feel like it expresses who I am, and it kind of gives me an opportunity to kind of say, you know what, like, I want to do something different. I want to grow my hair out. I want to, cut my hair. I want to color my hair. It's a way of me expressing who I am. In terms of my daily rituals, I definitely like to condition my hair. I mean, when you have color, you have to make sure that you're protecting it and you're not just throwing all kind of stuff. So it's definitely thinking about
You gotta give that little extra love, the little TLC.
Yes, exactly, even if you have short hair. And I also have 2 kids, so I can't spend too much time on this ritual.
Listen.
But I appreciate that there's so many products out there now that you can throw on a conditioner, leave it on for a few minutes, and you feel like you've done what you need to do in terms of taking care of your hair.
There's actually a lot more work, in my personal opinion, with short hair. I did the big chop a few years ago. Baby, I threw on a wig so quick, I said, I can't do it. I said, let me just hide under the wig. But to actually be out there and embrace it, it takes actual effort.
It does.
Which brings me to my next point. Beauty routines are often handed down through generations, especially in communities of color. Joy, what's one beauty lesson you've learned that you've passed down to your beautiful daughter?
When we think about things that I have passed down, if you will, they wore their hair curly or in braids most of the time, but I had to wear my hair with a scarf. It's that satin scarf that you had on every night that then, as your hair got fuller and you got more, whatever, you had the bonnet. So we're passing that down so even my granddaughter knows if she gets her hair done, we got that bonnet on. We got those hair laid down. It's a whole situation.
Oh, okay. I need to see pictures after this, because I gotta see this. You pretty much bring me to my last and final question. And it's simply, what does Black joy mean to the both of you?
Well, as both of our names are Joy.
Yes. So both of our middle names are Joy. So
we have 4 generations of
Joy as our middle names. So she goes by Joy as her first name, but
it's Virginia Joy.
Her first name is Virginia Joy. I'm Naima Joy, and my daughter is Ella Joy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So we live with joy in our lives every single day. It's something that we definitely foreground in our lives. But I would say in terms of Black joy, for me, it's family, it's love.
When we are together in a space that we're comfortable, to be able to relax and share each other, enjoy each other, to love each other.
Oh, perfectly said. This just warms my heart. Fun fact, I'm actually Monica the Third. My grandmother's Monica.
Wow.
My mom was Monica and I'm Monica. So for me, I'm like, I totally get it. We're just gonna keep it going, okay?
I'm just gonna keep it going. I love
Listen,
that.
I'm like, okay, maybe if I have a daughter, maybe she'll be Monica. Who knows? So Naima, Ulta Beauty is providing you with some beauty products in celebration of the remarkable woman that you are. Inside of your gift basket are all Black-owned beauty products that can be found over at Ulta Beauty.
Aww.
And I'm so excited to just share with you what's inside here, okay?
Let's
so
do it.
first things first, this product right here, this is the Curl Mix Wash and Go Flaxseed Gel.
Oh.
Okay, I know you say you usually wear your hair easy, it's usually curly.
Yeah.
Put this baby on your hair. It's gonna really give your
I
hair
love
that gorgeous, shiny, bouncy curls.
Okay.
Keep your curls hydrated. Oftentimes, gels can get a little tricky.
That's true. That is very true.
It can get a little tricky,
Yeah.
but this product is really gonna make sure it locks in your moisture
Oh, I
while
love
keeping
that.
your hair shiny. Yes,
Okay.
yes. The curls are gonna be, you're gonna be outside.
I mean,
okay? You're gonna be outside.
Summer will be here before you know it. So.
Okay, and the products smell incredible. I'm sure you know, you're familiar with a few of these products.
I am.
Okay, now moving on next, we have the Creole Essence Black Castor Oil. Right here.
Bam.
Yeah, I know y'all know about some castor oil, but this isn't just any castor oil. This is the Creole Essence Castor Oil. It's really gonna help promote thick, shiny, long hair while keeping the hair super hydrated, okay?
Oh, wow.
I know you're constantly cutting your hair, but she can still stay thick, and we can still keep her short, okay?
I know. But that's what I'm saying, because I do color my hair, keeping it healthy and not just like throwing on a conditioner, but really thinking about like what oils you're putting in your hair are equally as important.
I really like that. I can also use this because I don't take care enough of like my sewing. It's so hard to get in here, but I really do need to be using more oils.
Yeah, I think what's great about these kinds of products is that they're good for all different types of textures. Like, right, we all have different textures. Each of us can figure out how we can work it within our own routines.
Absolutely. I love it, okay? And lastly, we have Donna's Recipes Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. Right here, you know Tabitha Brown now.
I do.
Okay.
Actually, I follow Tabitha.
Oh, listen, we love Tabitha.
I'm with it.
Now,
Yes.
one thing I love is a leave-in conditioner that's really gonna make sure that hair, we keep skipping this step. I don't want, I'm gonna speak to me. I skip this step, okay? Because I got a 1-year-old. I'm like, you're like, let me speak for me. Because I got a 1-year-old child. I'm really trying to really include this leave-in conditioner because I always do a protective hairstyle, but this product here is really gonna make sure that hair has that locked-in moisture.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Yes! Your gift basket is filled with other amazing Black-owned hair, skin, and makeup products, and Ulta Beauty is sending you home with a $500 gift card for you to shop online and in-store with.
Oh, that's amazing.
I'm so
Thank
excited
you
for
so
you.
much.
Anytime.
That's awesome. I love
Mama
that.
Joy, we didn't forget about you. You will also be getting an Ulta Beauty gift basket and a gift card for you to use.
Thank you.
I'm so thrilled for
That's
you.
awesome.
It's
Thank
a
you so
shopping
much.
day. We'll set it up.
Yes.
It's gonna be a whole thing. I also wanted to take this opportunity to give you both your flowers. And I mean, literally, bring the flowers. Yay!
Oh my gosh, okay. All right, well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
These
Thank
beautiful.
you. These are beautiful.
No, thank you both for being here today. It's
Thank you so
absolutely been
much.
incredible. This wraps up today's episode of Beyond the Beauty, celebrating Black joy. Thanks to Ulta Beauty, the incredible Naima, and her beautiful mom Joy for joining us today. Keep embracing your unique beauty and all of the stories they tell. Until next time, stay empowered, stay beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Adios!